How are you all? I hope you all are very fine and you all are enjoying at your place. Okay. In English, we have already covered all the words of all the vowel sound. A, E, I, O and U. After that, we have done with all the rhyming words of all vowels. Today, we are going to do words of LL sound or double L sound. LL sound. What is the sound of LL? Let's see. Just see the picture. What is this? Bell, isn't it? Bell. LL. What is the sound of this? L. Bell. B. A. L. Bell. LL sound. Bell. What is this? Yes, this is well. What is this? Well. Have you ever seen this? Okay, in villages, you can easily say this. L. Well. Well. What is this? This is wall. What is this? Wall. Wall. This is hill. Have you ever been to hills? Yes, this is hill. What is this? Hill. What is this? Medicine. What is the name of this? Pill. What is this? Pill. Yes, ball. What is this? Ball. Say after me. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. What is this? Doll. What is this? Doll. D-O-double-L. Doll. Ball, doll. But here we are using A and here O. What is this? Bill. B-E-L-L. Bill. Bill. Tall tree, short tree. This is tall. 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 Now say after me. Let us revise. Bell. What is this? Bell. Well. Well. Wall. Wall. Hill. Hill. Pill. Pill. Ball. Ball. Doll. Doll. Bill. Bill. Tall. Tall. I hope you all are able to read after me. Now, what exactly you have to do? You all have to practice it a lot. You have to read lots of words of double L sound. Okay, children, after doing the words of double L sound, now we will do double E sound. What is the sound of single E? What is the sound of single E? What is the sound of double E? E. Double energy. E. Single E sound is and double E sound is E. Right? Let's read and practice the words of double E sound. What is this? C. 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 Double E. C. What is this? Tree. Yes. Tree. 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 Seed. seed, seed. Peel. What is this? Peel, peel, peel. Something we are peeling off. What is this? Feet, feet, feet. Just stress on double E sound. Feet, double E. Long E, E, feet. Sweet, sweet. This is grass. What is the color of grass? Green, green, green. Right. What is this? Bee, bee, bee. What is this? Teeth. Show me your teeth. Right. What is the color of your teeth? White. If you clean it twice a day, then what is the color of your teeth? White. Teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. Now let's repeat after me. See, tree, seed, peel, feet, sweet, green, bee and teeth. Now what you have to do? You all have to revise all the words of double E sound. Okay? Do practice a lot. I hope you are clear with the words of sound, double L words and double E words. Now you have to do lots of practice of reading and writing. Maximum practice will make you expert. Right? So don't waste your time. Just do practice very soon. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.